Good morning. Today is Friday. I'm just doing some exercise. Jacob's helping me. And then I think we're just having a bit of a chill day again. But I'm not sure. So we'll find out what we're doing. It's out of the room, so we're just waiting for someone to come and lock the door. But I think we're going to a water park today, which is fun. I'm heading to the water park now in the Uber. And I'm so excited. Park now. And we're gonna go on the slides. I can't take my phone on the slides though, so but I'll try to get my mum to film us when we go on the big blue one. Yay! Good, Jacob. Georgia and Harry to get back from the toilet, and then we're going on this big slide here. Can't see it. Because that needs 4 people, so we're going on with the 4 of us, me, Harry, Georgia and you. Okay, baby! He's in a bad mood with me. This is the water park. We've been on that slide there. There's Georgia and Harry. Lovely. I got Ben and Jerry's vegan cookie dough. There's Georgia, and there's Harry. Jacob's once again crying. And Mum got vegan cookie dough as well. We just got dinner now. I got tacos.
Which is mine.
That one there. Yeah. Yum. We ordered in today because everyone's tired, so. Photo of it. Me and Harry are just on a beach walk this evening, and it's so pretty. You can't see it on camera, but it's really gorgeous. Me and Harry got back from our beach walk and we've just been sat on our beds. We're about to go to bed now. Tomorrow I don't think we've got a lot going on the beach. The Jeep tour was all sold out, so we're not doing that anymore. We are just gonna have a chill day, so I'll probably lie in and have a few drinks, sit by the pool. I think that's the plan for tomorrow. I don't know of anything else. But we've just had a quiet evening, which has been quite nice. It's been nice to just relax a bit. So good night. Today's my last day in Portugal. I go home tomorrow. Today's just going to be a chill day. We're going to go to the beach and we're going to sit by the pool. Here's my gorgeous baby. And I'm just laid out in the sun right now. I'm just soaking up as much as I can before I go to Croatia, because I think it's meant to be raining when I go to Croatia, which isn't going to be as nice as this. But I'm still very excited, aren't I? He wants to film his portion of the vlog. What are we doing, Jacob?
Dada! Dada!
Careful. That's it. I love you. Beach again. It's lovely and sunny this time, which is nice. There's the sea. Just sunbathe them again last week. Even Mum went in the sea. And now trying to skim stones. Some lunch now, and we're just back at the villa to eat it. And then I think we're going to go to the outdoor pool. At the outdoor pool now. And here's my mum. And Jacob's been in the baby pool with Harry, and we're just sunbathing. Here's Jacob's gorgeous face. What have you got, Jacob?
Apple.
What's this, Jacob? No, what's this?
You and him out now.
Car. You're so cute now. We're about to go up to dinner, but I'm packing my bag because it's my last day. Jacob keeps unpacking my bag because he doesn't want me to leave, clearly. But all we've done really today is sit by the pool, go to the beach. It's been really nice. I'm wearing this white top and these green flowing pants. with my little green bag, and I got some rings and a bit of jewellery, and I'm really liking it. Now walking around trying to find a place for dinner. I thought that was Ewan, and it wasn't. It was a random man, which makes sense because Ewan's in front of me. But we just went over to the next village. Sure. On the Titanic for tonight. I've got cocktails, orange juice, mum wine. Don't know how she's ever going to finish it. And here's Harry's teeny tiny portion. So we had to get two because just a salmon for me, duck for mum, pork for you, and Harry's still eating his burgers. Yeah, yummy. My drink, Long Island iced tea. And here's Brooke and Jacob. Kisses. Club, 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 club. We've got something, don't know what it is. It's about midnight, and me and George were just getting in. Here we are. The other night I had to jump through the window because nobody would open the door. But this night I've got a key, which is good. So I'm just going to open up the flat, get in and go to sleep really. So that's the end of today. Me and Jordan had an absolute lush time and just got cocktails, which is really nice. And yeah, I've had the best time here. And I'm excited to go to Croatia on Monday. Home time for me now, not for Harry. So here's my suitcases, and I'm just waiting for an Egan to pick me up. Back in Manchester now. My way back had everything that could possibly go wrong. Basically, like my flight was delayed. My taxi didn't arrive firstly to come pick me up. Then my flight was delayed, and then someone's baggage was put on the plane that wasn't meant to be on the plane. Said to take it off. And then I couldn't catch my train. It was just mayhem. But I'm back now, and it's like 3 AM. I got back a while ago, and I packed my bag for Croatia. And I'm about to hop in the shower. We are leaving here about 3:30 to go to the union to get picked up, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait.